Welcome back to the Average Mike Show, or as we might start calling it, what broke in the house this week. That's what broke in the house this week. No, not the mirror, because I looked at it. Yeah, this here is leaking water out of this. So, yeah. We were at Home Depot and found this relatively nice one. So, yeah, that's what's going to replace that. Pictures to read. All right. Now the instruction says that even a child should be able to build this, install this in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to try this for the next week, and if I can't do it, we'll see if my son can. I'm guessing that's the drain setup. The drain and plug. Okay, kind of cool. And I'm guessing that's going to be the hardware for that drain setup. Okay, well. First thing you're going to do is cut the water off. Because if not, you're going to have a water park in your bathroom, and that's not a good thing. You can kind of see them valves down there. Those ones you could just use a regular crescent wrench on. You're going to lose a little bit of water, but not much. Try the 9/16. A little bit loose, but I think that's going to work. Alright. Now I got what I need. The whole bolt just comes out. And get the other one. And the whole thing should just lift out. There we go. Yeah. Just use a little bit of toilet paper, wipe this down a little bit. Some assembly required. Here's a new one that I'm putting in. I think this goes through here like this. Yeah, I guess there's no screws involved. I gotta use some plumber's putty, and I got this tripod falling apart on me. Yeah, I almost kind of think sometimes maybe they put that a child could put this together in 45 minutes, just so when it's not when an adult can't get it done in that time, they just get discouraged and call a plumber. Put some on this side too, because I still need to put the other part, 2 parts to connect to this. There we go. I don't know how that's supposed to fit together. Let's find out. And this goes in here like this. And I'll put that in the neutral position for now. And with it turned off. And now we gotta go back underneath the sink. Alright, here we are back under the sink. And I gotta figure out how to get this and this under here somewhere. Now there's that threaded rod that runs down between these two. I'm guessing there's supposed to be one on each side of it. And this knot just kind of works. Just kind of works that on the way up. But yeah, I'm kind of putting that on backwards. So I'm already off to an epic fail. Wonder what size socket that might be. Alright then, I think that's about it for that part. Now it's just to connect these water lines and hope for the best. Guess they were expecting us to do something like this. I guess hold this like this and turn this one with another wrench. Uh-oh. They're both open. Nothing's leaking, from what I could tell. I'm gonna open up this valve. This valve up top here. Let's see what happens. Alright, well, I think this here is leaking. Let's see here. Let's open this up again. See if that's what's leaking. Yep, that's exactly what's leaking. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get this loose in order to get this out. I really didn't want to do all this. There's a lot more work that I really wanted to do right now. So, yeah, let's get started. This was how we can. Let's see if this is going to be enough. Barely. Oh, good. Yeah, there we go. Got the whole thing out. That's nasty. Alright, these two rings go onto that like that. This goes into here. There we go. Now I get this. Okay, yeah, I think I got it now. And I think this twists back together, just like that. And this is about done. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit the faucet, see if anything comes out down back here, down here, and if not, we're good to go. Looks like we're good. Okay. Yeah, nothing coming out down here. That's all. That's good. That's awesome. It's awesome. Tighten this up a little bit more with the crescent wrench. Yeah, just for safe measures. Safe peace of mind. Yeah, there it is, completed. See if that works. Man, I need to clean this sink up. Awesomeness. Alright, I'm going to clean the sink up and finish up this video. Another job done. Hey, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's that smiley face with some busted teeth down in that corner somewhere, right about over here, somewhere. Wait a second. Now, I'm pointing at the mirror recording this, so it's going to be over here, I think. We'll figure it out. Yeah, click on that. That works like a subscribe button. Yeah, like the video. Mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Yeah, oh, don't forget to hit the share button. It's right somewhere in the middle here. Yeah, you got anything you want me to do in some future videos? Maybe some suggestions? And I do read the comments, so yeah, go ahead and leave that there. And until next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.